This is a short video to demonstrate how to use the online interactive planning constraints map to identify any key policy and designated sites constraints. Site proposers will need to refer to the constraints map in order to respond to relevant questions on the candidate site submission form. Click the Constraints Map link to open the map. You can use the Select tool to move around the map and the mouse wheel to zoom in and out of the map to navigate to your site. Or use the Address tool to search by address. In this example, we will search by postcode. When you have located the site, use the Select tool and click within the site area. A pop-up box will open and display the map grid reference along with the number of results found. Click on the results found to open the constraints identified. Click on the I button alongside the individual constraint for more detail. Thank you.